up. Exhale, forward child pose. Inhale to the cat position, head up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg up. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, forward between your both palms. Inhale, Virabhadrasana. Look at the front of fingertip. Exhale, thigh thigh zoom. Left hand over the head. Inhale, thigh zoom. Lift the leg up. Kondinyasana. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, rolling the shoulder up. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Left foot forward. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale. Inhale, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, drop the palms to the floor. Move your hands over the head. Inhale, place the palms, lift the leg up. Kondinyasana. Pull the back up, concentrate on your breath. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Right leg up. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, forward between your both palms. Catch your big toes with your right hand. Inhale, lift the right leg up, stretching your leg up side. Stretching your leg up, pull the leg up. Exhale, Hanumanasana. Slide the legs to the front line. Touch your head to the knee. Inhale, Hatha lunge. Raising your hands together, chest going to open. Exhale, place the palms. Inhale, Chang Phi lunge. Lift the right leg upside. Exhale, roll the body. Drop the foot on the floor. Inhale, hip up, arching your back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, between your both palms. Catch your big toes with your index and a middle finger. Inhale, leg up, stretching your leg up line, making your chest open. Concentrate on your breath. Push your leg up. Exhale, Hanumanasana. Slide the leg on a front line, making your chest open. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Touch your head to the down. Inhale, raising your hands up, Hatha lunge. Join your palms together. Exhale, Hatha zoom. Drop the palms to the floor. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, bend your legs, twist the body, hip down first. Inhale, roll the body up, chest going to open. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lifting your heels, bend a knee, look at the front. Inhale, jump forward between your both palms, bend a knee, raising your hands together. Hatha lunge, Gacheng Len. Exhale, twist the body on the right side first. Place the palms. Inhale, lift the body up. Drop your cheek on the floor, stretching your backs together. Touch your cheek on the floor, toes pointed up, toes pointed. Exhale, come back. Raising your hands together. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist the body towards the left. Drop your cheek down. Look at the front line first. Inhale, both legs up, making your chest open. Concentrate on your breath. Exhale to the front. Inhale, hands up, raise your hands together. Exhale, place the palms, leg on the front, Navasana, Naukasana. Inhale, leg straight. Exhale, forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Slide the body, touch your head to the knee. Inhale, head up. Raising your head up, side tongue tie. Exhale, release your body.